So welcome back to my channel, or welcome. Okay, so welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm gonna be attempting a wig install and showing you guys how it goes. So obviously my wig is right there. I don't have a mannequin head or nothing, so we definitely did hang her up on the side of my bed. We sure did. Let me show you guys the supplies I have today. I have a blow dryer. I'm gonna link all the details to the stuff I have in the description box. I have the details to the Infinity Pro blow dryer and this flat iron, Kaposi. Yeah, I have the information to this flat iron, Kaposi. I'm not sure. Both are from Amazon. I'm telling you, if you've seen me with anything on this page that I ordered, that's like beauty or like any of those things, it's probably from Amazon. So I have the blow dryer just to blow it out after I'm done and blow on the glue, etc., all of that stuff. I have a curler, a wand curler, and a straightener to see which style I like better after I install the wig, like what styling I want, like, you know what I mean? So that's what we have. I went to the beauty supply. I got a wig cap. I got natural brown instead of the lighter one because I thought that it would look better on me. Natural brown. Maybe I should have got dark brown, but natural brown doesn't look too light. Natural brown looks like perfect for me. The dark beige one and the beige one are the ones that are light and like too light. So I think natural brown is gonna be perfect. I got an edge brush. I have one already, but this one looks so cute, so I have to just get it. You know when you see something and you just have to get it again? You're just like, I just need a new one. Like, and I got these lashes. I've never tried these lashes, but they look kind of cute, so hopefully they're cute. And a wig band. I was recommended to use a wig band when laying my lace to really melt it in, so we're gonna see how well it really works. And yeah, all of that for about $10 at the beauty supply. These three things are the most important, what you need for an install. I literally had the hair scissors on my bed and I don't know where they are, so right now I have big huge scissors because I really don't know where I put the hair scissors, and then clips to hold my hair back as I'm installing it. We're gonna come over here and see what else I have to use. So I have sheen spray to, when I finish it off, spritz spray as well to lay it down when I'm flat, like when I'm hot combing it at the end. Got to be to lay the lace and the wig cap. Q-tips to apply the alcohol to my face. I like usually use Q-tips. That's the same thing for the hand towels or the paper towels, to apply the alcohol to my face, or remove any excess makeup or glue really quickly. I have these two kind of like liquid foundation sticks because I don't wear makeup, so I don't really have powder foundation, but my mom does have these foundation sticks that I'm gonna use because that's what I have, and I found the perfect tone to match my skin. So yeah, Ghost Spawn, don't mind it, it's really my mom's. I really don't be doing my own wigs, but my sis sure do be doing her own. 3 scrunchies just in case, you know. I have 2 brushes to help me apply the stick foundation because it's harder than powder foundation, and they're just the powder brush from Sephora and the large brow brush. 2 combs, tweezers if I need to pluck at anything, alcohol, edge booster to lay those edges, and that's all we have. So let's get into it. So to begin, I'm cutting air holes on both sides of the wig cap so that the lace melts better. This helps adjust your wig because, as you know, the wig doesn't go over your ear. So to give it that perfect Also, don't forget to slick back your edges using some edge control under this wig cap so that the glue does not take off your edges after you remove this wig. So here, after applying my last layer of got-to-be glue to secure the wig cap, I am just drying it with a blow dryer on low cool setting to make the process go quicker and to ensure that it actually gets tacky and dry. So now I am going in and cutting the wig cap using scissors, and I'm just starting from the middle. That gives you the best cut. And I'm going to continue to cut the wig cap until I feel like it's as melted on my scalp as it could be. Don't cut too much of your wig cap though. And by this point in the video, you can tell that I did not sew in the back of my wig cap because mine was a quick wig reinstall. However, if you feel you want your wig to be more secure, then you can choose to sew in the back of your wig cap. It just gives it some more sturdiness. Now going in, applying makeup to my wig cap, and eventually you're going to see to my lace. Because I don't have powder foundation, I am using stick foundation. Either or is good, but I'm gonna say powder foundation is better. It was pretty hard to apply the stick foundation. Don't forget to find the foundation that matches your skin complexion, and also remember that your scalp is lighter than your actual skin complexion. So in this part of the video, it might not look like my wig cap directly matches my skin complexion, but after a while you're going to see that it's a pretty good match. Once again, you're going to go onto the lace of your wig and apply the foundation that you're using. Make sure your lace is fully covered in the foundation, as it's going to be on your wig cap and it needs to be on both the wig cap and the lace. As I said before, you're going to see here that it's a pretty good match between my skin complexion and the foundation I used. And I was pretty hyped because it looked really good. It was giving arrogant Aviii, it was giving scalp, it was giving what it was supposed to have gave. You ready? This step is very important. It's a step you do not want to skip. So don't forget to apply alcohol to your forehead so that any glue that gets up there will come off easily, and just to prevent any breakouts, anything, etc. It's just a clean thing to do. Also, if you have any type of residue or oil on your forehead, it will take it all off and allow the wig to stick to your skin better, helping melt your lace 100 times more better than if you did not use alcohol. I am now going onto my lace with my first layer of my bonding glue. I'm using Ghost Bond, and it gave me a pretty good lace, so I do recommend but I'm just dropping it everywhere and spreading it out onto my lace. And I'm applying it in between my lace and my skin because, like I said before, your lace should stick to your skin a little bit. After dropping your bonding glue onto your lace, make sure to spread it out with anything. I used a Q-tip, but I definitely recommend popsicle sticks, which I didn't have in this case. And you're just going to spread it out. And if you didn't put enough glue, make sure you add it before the first layer dries. We don't want layers on top of layers or clumpiness. And if you didn't put the glue on your skin enough, this is definitely the part where spreading out, you want to make sure it gets onto your skin so that the lace sticks better and everything just melts better.
You know, a lot of girls be thinking my songs are about them.
I am now going in with my second layer of bonding glue to lay my lace, doing the same steps I did for the first layer. Just dropping bits of glue, spread it out onto my lace, in between my lace and skin, and then spreading it out before it dries and allowing it to dry until it's clear before applying another layer.
Once upon a time, and I heard that I was sucking you. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck.
Okay, so here I am applying the third and final layer of my bonding glue. 2 to 3 layers is usually fine, they say, but I wanted a little extra secure, so I used 3 layers. And once again, I'm just going to let it dry until it's clear, and then you guys are going to see me push down on it with a comb. For the last layer, I did go in with the blow dryer on a low cool setting or maybe warm to just speed up the process because this layer was taking the longest out of all the layers I did. And on top of that, I just wanted it to remain tacky and gooey.
Yeah, I'm a free bitch, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make him feel like he's cheating. Put him on his knees, give him something to believe in. Never lost a fight, but I'm looking for a beat in
Okay, so this process is not a process you should rush, but I did. I was getting quite impatient, so I went and stuck down my lace, even though the glue is still a little bit white. Do I recommend? No. But did it make my lace terrible? No. So now I'm just going in and slicking it down with the comb part of my edge brush. It worked pretty good on pushing it down, and just make sure you keep pushing it down to the secure. Push it down as much as you want. Just make sure that it's not lifted. I didn't include the footage, but I did lay down my lace with the wig band for a good 30 minutes. Don't forget this step, even though it's not visually in the video. Just remember to lay down your lace with your wig band. After this step, don't forget to spritz a little bit of got-to-be glue on your lace and then put the wig band on to lay it. So it's giving Cosmo and Wanda with the pins, you know, to hold my hair. Well, I did baby hairs, but so here is me trying to lay the edges. I tried to follow every step, cut the edges to a minimum length, then use edge booster and holding spray to swoop the edges, but I failed. It did not work for me and it went terribly. So if it works for you, let me know, but for me, it didn't. I just knew the edges was gonna mess me up. Cause like, I don't know how to do them. I'm about to just get the edges and pull it back at this point. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do right now is just go over these first. So at this point, I'm using a hot comb to lay back the edges I did terribly. And I'm just using it on the hairline to give it a better melt. Using a hot comb will really help melt your lace overall. I'm also just using a hot comb to lay my hair flat on the top. Also using some holding spray. Oh my god. So this entire clip is me just going in, styling my wig using the wand curl. I chose to go with the wand curl because it gives like your wig tighter curls, but obviously you see mine are a little loose. This is because I got pretty lazy and I just didn't feel like holding the wand curl up long enough to give it that tight, perfect curl. Alright, so I plucked the middle of the hair. I have it curled and this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and if you were already here, like and comment. So, and don't forget to turn on those post notifications if you didn't already, because I'm going to be posting more consistently. I think it was kind of a success, except for the fact I don't know how to do baby hairs, but besides that, I think we were pretty successful today, y'all. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you and bye.